Hi everyone, this is Amanda from Shandong Longhe Energy Saving Technology Company Limited. Today, it's my pleasure to introduce our wooden reedy house for you. Okay, you can check the front. It is with the decorated material. We call it the wooden cladding, and also with the casement door, glass casement door. Okay, then I will introduce the details about the wooden structure house. Firstly, you can check this. This is the bottom steel structure for the wooden house. The bottom surface is the skin panel with the rock wool material, 100 millimeters rock wool material, and also the surface is the 9 millimeters OSB board. And the structure, the whole structure is galvanized steel structure. And then beside the bottom steel structure. Okay, then I will introduce the coating, the special material for the house. The painting will be painted on the surface of the OSB board. Okay, this is a very special material. I can show you. Now I will hit this board. You can check. Okay, I will show you. You can check this. There is no change because the coating is very strong. Yeah. So even you hit it heavily, there is no change of the wall panel. Yeah. Okay. Okay, then I will introduce the roof system and the wall panel system. You can check this structure. This structure is the New Zealand pan wood structure, and with the 18 millimeters rock wool material, has a very good insulation effect. And also the surface board is the 9 millimeters OSB board. This structure is for the roof and the wall of the wooden reedy house. Okay. And you can find a secret of this wooden reedy house because it is with a outward door kitchen. Here is also a secret of this house because it is with an outward door kitchen. Let me show you the secret. Then I will show you how to pull it out. You need to pull the big one out firstly, and then here is a small one. And also this is faucet. This is faucet wash basin, and this is the stool. It is a gas stool. Here is the gas. Okay, if you worry about the safety, we also can change the gas stool to the electrical stool. Okay, then I will show you how to reback it. How to put it back. And then do not forget to put it down. And then turn off the door. Because the house is with an outdoor kitchen, So this house can be put on the trailer. You can go wherever you want to go. And then I will introduce the interior finish. Let's go inside. Firstly, I would like to introduce the carbonized wooden ceiling. You can check. From this view, you can check the details of the carbonized wooden ceiling. It's very light and it's very environmental friendly. Next, I would like to introduce the bathroom plan for you. You can check this is the wash station with the intelligent mirror. Here you can wash hands in here. And also this place can be used as a closet. You can hang the clothes and you can put another thing you want to put. Then I will introduce our shower room with the toilet. Firstly, the door we used is the aluminum alloy door with glass. It can keep you secret. And also first is the toilet. Then here is the shower area. You can take a shower at this place. And also this bathroom is also decorated by the UV board. And also the ceiling is also the UV board. I will introduce how to connect the electricity in your local place. Because we have finished all the wire inside the house. So we also will put an outdoor socket. And check this. So you just need to charge the power and then the house can be used. Then I will show you the detail how to connect the electricity. Firstly, here this is the outdoor socket with this wire. This wire we can provide you according to your country standard, and this side is to connect the inside wire. Okay, then you just need to you can check, just need to put it. And then the electricity has been connected. Here is the finished wallpaper. You can check this. This is the water supply paper, and this is the water drain paper for the toilet, and this is also the water drain paper for the kitchen. I'm so glad to introduce all of our wooden ready house. This house is ready house. You do not need to do any installation work when you receive it, and this house can be put on the trailer. So if you really like traveling, this house will be very suitable for you because you 不行啊，重新开始，不流利。I'm so glad to introduce our wooden ready house for you. As I said, this house is ready house. We will finish the electricity and the wallpaper in the factory before shipping. So when you get the house, you do not need to do any installation work. Just charge the power and connect the wallpaper, and then the house can be used. It is a functional and beautiful house with wooden structure, especially for the exterior wall cladding. It is really fantastic and strong, waterproof and hard wearing. Even you put it on the seaside, it will keep stronger, and it has more than 15 years lifetime. And it can put on the trailer. If you really like traveling, you can put the house on the trailer and you can go wherever you want to go. And Longhe house can achieve your dream. If you have any needs, you can contact me, Amanda, and you also can contact Longhe. Thank you. Bye-bye.